As a research participant, you want to feel comfortable and respected at all times. Inclusion is key, and it's time to make a change. At Northumbria University, we have developed the best practice guidelines for measuring gender and sexual orientation to respect and include all participants. When asking about gender, use the following questions. What is your gender identity? Man, including trans men, non-binary, woman, including trans women, and self-identify with a blank space. When asking about sexual orientation, use the following questions. What is your sexual orientation? Asexual, bisexual, gay, heterosexual or straight, lesbian, pansexual, queer, or self-identify with a blank space. To learn more, visit our Ethics and Governance page on screen now.